Hi everybody, good morning. I'm Deepak Kumar and I'm a business coach. Today we are going to talk about a skill that is most important for a coach. It's called the articulating skills. In this episode, we are going to talk about what is articulating, when do you need to articulate, what are the examples of articulating, and how does it help the coach and a coachee. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. What is articulating? In a coaching process, what happens? The coach asks questions to the coachees, and the coachees respond to these questions. So when the coachee is actually responding to these situations, these questions, what is he doing? He's actually describing the environment in which the question is placed. But when he is describing, he's actually, displaying emotions associated with that. It becomes very important for a coach to understand what's actually going on. It also becomes very important for a coach to understand, am I reading the situation correctly? The art of actually reading the situation correctly is called articulating. It's actually pre-sensing an emotion that a coachee is actually facing. When do you articulate? Now this is very important. When a client is actually describing a situation and you can actually see the emotions involved in those, the way he's communicating, that becomes a time when you need to actually articulate. And also when the client has made some very important statements, and those statements are of matter of significance, that's also a time when you need to articulate. Let me share what is articulating with a couple of examples. Imagine your coachee. He is describing a situation and in which he gives you an indirect feeling you are getting is that he is unhappy with the situation. How could you articulate this situation? You could actually tell him like this. Listen, what I am sensing is that you don't seem to be happy with the situation. And then go on completing the statement. Let me share another example. Imagine your client in his conversation has said, indirectly said that this person seems to be responsible for the situation we are in. You could actually articulate and say, what I'm reading from what you are saying is that so and so person is responsible for the situation. Am I right? The art of articulation actually helps both the coach and the coachee. To the coachee, coachee feels the coach is actually understanding the situation very well. He is able to understand the kind of emotion I am going through, and he's reading the situation very well. And this actually helps him to build, the trust, and he's able to open up far more freely with the coach. And to the coach, he also gets confirmed on the kind of emotion that the team is going through. He also tries to read the situation far more clearly, what the client is going through, and in this way, both the coach and the coachee is benefited. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what is articulating. We'll be coming out with again a series of skills that are essential to coaching. And if you want to know more about these skills, I'll appreciate if you could press the subscribe button in this YouTube channel. You will be getting an update on a very regular basis. Thank you so much.